Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is VassaOlga. In today's video, we're going to be doing a Sagittarius inspired makeup look. It turned out to be really fiery and super sexy Sagittarius vibes. Let's get started. Okay, I was thinking a lot what I really want to create for today's makeup look, and I think Sagittarius makeup look. Why not? It's been a while since I created anything like this, and I'm a Sagittarius. It's pretty obvious that I'm doing this for a reason. We're gonna get started with the primer. I am using Wet n Wild eyeshadow primer, and we're getting this over my lid. Yeah, I'm a little bit curly today, you can tell. I will be using Simple Beauty eyeshadow palette. This is probably like one of my favorite, but the point that we have a lot of red colors, and I want to create a look where I'm going to use some black eyeshadows over my lower lid. It's kind of ashes. And then we're going up to the brow where I'm going to be going with some of the red and a little bit of like yellow flamey colors on top. And then I'll see what I can do with the rest. I'm going to start with black eye pencil. Bring the color over my lower lid. Then I will blend this out with my brush. This is a tiny brush, which is going to be very handy today. With my pen brush and the color black from the same eyeshadow palette, I want to intensify my lower lid. We don't really need to use any kind of protection. The lower lid, we don't get too much fallouts. And with a little bit different short type brush that I have from BH. Is it BH? No, it's e.l.f. It's e.l.f. brush set. I'm going to pick on a little bit of soft orange and blend out any harsh lines. I want to get red color, Leo, though we're Sagittarius. Cover my under area, just in case. I'm going really close to the lash line, and I'm patting, like patting. Let's go up to the crease, but still we're going to stop halfway through, so we're not going to go super high. Then with a little bit different brush, or you can go with the same one that I used to a couple of seconds ago, I want to get a little bit different shade. It's called Pumpkin. We're getting this over the Leo. And it's just going with circular motion. And finally, I'm moving to a fluffy brush, the one that is going to be perfect to fade away the red color from, oh, it's Gemini. Gemini. Not my favorite sign, but we're going to work with Gemini. Okay, let's just move with the flow and work with the color, just going over some pumpkin. Now I need a flat brush because I just want to extend this in the outer corner, and we're going to work with the same Leo or red color. I just want to make sure that it's really flat, sharp line in the outer corner, and with any leftovers you can still work this through. And let's prolong this a little bit in the inner corner, but we're going to work with the inner corner moment more a little bit later. And I will probably add the tiniest bit of brown, maybe this type of brown, because it's kind of like orangey right here, and just gonna prolong this a little bit further. So this way we're gonna thin out the root of the nose. Finally, I want to add color Martini. This is really pretty gold flames of fire. Last but not least step in this routine is to grab my black eyeliner. I want to create really thin line, and we're going to just go in the inner corner and then go back to the outer corner. My eyeshadows, they're going to be my guideline, and I'm doing like a really thin line and connecting this line with the one that I created on top of my lash line. I'm going to grab my tiny brush one more time, the one that I used to blend out this area, and we're going to connect eyeliner with my eyeshadows. Get the color under my line with any leftovers. And I'm gonna coat my lashes with mascara. This one is from Makeup Revolution. Now I want to work with Makeup Revolution. The color is Pro Lipstick Pure Vamp. I don't really think you can find this exact lipstick on their website. I mean, Makeup Revolution website, but still, it's just regular lipstick. I'm gonna start with the lower point of my lip and then just connect the corners. And finally, we're going to top with a Hydra Kiss lip oil from Essence, both of my lips. Okay, guys, and this is the final result of my Sagittarius makeup look. I look like a badass, which I am. And that's it for today. I'm going to see you in the next video, hopefully. Bye-bye.